Have you ever wondered how to be Bhop? I didn't because I know how. But I think this guy wanted to know how to be Bhop. He seems very angry. But fear not, my child, I will show you how to do it. I will, calm down. Okay, which one is better? Comment down below. Racist! Okay, so this is how to be Bhop. So you just like do this and then you like roll around the floor and then like you push this and this and I gotta be Bhop. Peaceful life, it's just me dancing. Peaceful life. And it's just like racist! I still don't have your answer. Comment down below. Girl, teach me how to be Bhop already. Okay, so first you place your finger there and then you say, that's a guitar tutorial, I wanna learn how to be Bhop! It was too fast. Dude, what the fuck, that was even faster. Stop!
Oh my god.
Bhop tutorial.
Oh my god.
YTPMV time. I finally know how to be Bhop and this is me now. And here are the results.